Good morning, guys. I may have stuff on my face because I barely have looked in the mirror, but good morning. It's Saturday. I actually didn't think we were doing anything today, but I found out we're doing a lot of things today. My grandma's car stopped working, so we're going to, she's about to buy a new car today. She's an adult. So we're gonna do that, and then later on me and my dad are going to like Dave and Buster's or something like that to watch the Steelers. If you guys know, we are Steeler fans over here. I'm really excited about that. I think this is the second, it's the second preseason game. At this point of me filming this video, it's only been, this is the second one, so I'm super excited. I believe, don't quote me, but I believe we're playing the Chiefs. I could be completely wrong. Anyway, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for NFL season to start, and now that it started, like, I literally feel happy. That's what we're doing today. And my mom is actually about to leave because she's about to go get her nails done, and it's not time for me to get my nails done, so I don't really like being in nail shops. Just chilling. So I'm just gonna stay here and then eventually get ready, and I do need to edit a video, and I need to do my makeup before 3 o'clock. So right now I'm just watching YouTube, and I'm probably gonna watch Narcos. I don't know if you guys, let me know if any of you guys watch Narcos. I don't know if I've asked you guys that already, but if not, let me know in the comments if you guys watch Narcos, because I absolutely love Narcos and Narcos Mexico. But I'm already done watching Narcos Mexico. But anyway, so that's what I'm about to do. My face is so freaking oily. I need to wash it before it's too late after I wake up, because sometimes my pores get clogged if I leave like night oil on my face. So I need to do that soon. And I do already have my coffee, but the thing is, my coffee is already freaking cold, and I'm using my Thailand cup. So I actually bought 3 cups when I was in Thailand. I usually only buy 1 when I go out of town, but I bought 3 because I'm like, I really don't think I'm ever coming back to Thailand, just because like that's a once in a lifetime chance, I feel like. So I went ahead and got 3 cups. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I will come back to hi mom, you want to show everybody your outfit? No? Okay. So we are car shopping. Everyone else went on the 3rd test drive, but I came in here so I can get some air condition. So I'm just waiting on them to come back. This is what I'm looking like, and yeah, just waiting on the fam. We're finished car shopping for my grandma. I got on my Steeler shirt and I'm ready. I got a lot of things on right now, but this is the Steeler game right here. Hey guys, so today has been pretty uneventful. I sat in front of a computer most of the day, and then I did my makeup really quick and posted it on Instagram. And now I'm in line at Zaxby's. Literally, I'm next in line. Hold up, I need to get the card. Okay, so got the food. Now I'm headed back home. I'm actually gonna relax the rest of the day. Well, actually no, I have a video that I need to post today, but it's not even the video that I want to post today, so I'm wondering if I should post something else. My 2 options was, I was gonna post the Thai makeup tutorial. Well, basically it's a makeup tutorial I did while in Thailand. It's not a Thai makeup tutorial, and the reason why I don't want to post that is because I want to post it the same week that I post my Thailand vlog, and so I'm gonna think about it for a few hours. The other thing that I could post is the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation review. But the thing is about that is that I asked you guys on Instagram which foundation review you guys want to see first, and that one didn't win. It was between the Urban Decay or the Anastasia. You guys really wanted to see the Urban Decay one first, and the problem with that is I have not done that one yet. I did the Anastasia one first because I hadn't yet gotten the Urban Decay one in the mail yet, so I just don't know what I want to, or what to post. So I'm just gonna figure it out. Super hungry. I haven't ate all day, and it's 2:30. I worked out for the first time in like 3 weeks today. I went to bar earlier. It was lovely. It was hard, but it was lovely. Tomorrow I plan on going to the gym. Like, I'm trying to get back into working out like I would normally do. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday routine. So tomorrow the gym, and tomorrow I'm actually going to film the Urban Decay foundation review, so that should be up soon. So I just posted the Anastasia video. That's Oh my god, this zoom is so slow on my vlog camera. I'm like really trying to get in there so you guys can see. Okay, so I just posted this video on my YouTube channel. The Anastasia one is the one I went with when I was telling you guys my little dilemma earlier. I went ahead and went with that because I want to save the Thai tutorial until I'm ready to post that vlog. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for Monday Night Football to come on, and then I am probably gonna fall asleep. And that's gonna be my night. And the game has started. So I got a little hungry, so now I'm making ramen noodles, chicken flavor, the best flavor. Dinner is served. I say that like this is such a gourmet meal. I left my vlog camera here, so my dad was nice enough to bring me back. We were literally on the same street though. But yeah, we're about to go get some lunch. Okay, got it. We're back at home. Dad. And here's my mom. I just left bar class and I have it in my retainer, so yeah, you guys know what that means. And I am, oh, it's like really dark. Why is it not fixing itself? Okay, now it is. I'm pulling into the drive-thru at Starbucks. I said I wasn't gonna get coffee today, which decaf, as you guys know, but here I am doing it anyway. Hi, can I get a decaf soy latte, tall, with cinnamon and caramel syrup? All right. I always feel like a toddler when I'm wearing my retainer and I'm talking. Especially when I have to talk louder, I feel like it's worse. But anyway, so let me get my app together. Oh, you know what? I have a free coffee. But I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna save it.
What else can I get for you?
So got my coffee and now headed back home because I need to finish editing, which I only have like 2 or 3 minutes left to edit for the, what is it, the Urban Decay foundation review. Then that will go out today, and then I need to do my makeup. Well, then I need to shower, do my makeup, go get my, I'm getting the front of my hair redone today, just to kind of refresh my hair, as well as one twist in the middle. I'm gonna get redone, see if she can do that one. And then I'm going to get my nails done. I don't know what I want to do. I have a few ideas on my phone. I'm at a light right now. Oh, nope, no I'm not. But I have a few ideas on my phone. I have to have the camera out all the way out here because my hair is up. Well, I guess I could bring it closer now that you guys know my hair is up. But anyway, just quickly wanted to tell you guys I'm about to do my makeup for the day and hopefully get a photo so I can post it on Instagram. Yeah, I don't really know what kind of makeup look I'm gonna do. I think I might go searching on my saved list on Instagram and get some inspo, or I might just go with the flow. I don't know. I kind of want to use the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 palettes, but I don't know if I want to go like bold with colors because these are the shades in the palette and it's kind of bold. I don't know if I'm gonna go for that today, but we'll see, because my other palette that I can use is the Enchanted from Sigma. This is like my go-to right now, so I don't know, we'll see. I'll show you guys when I'm done. So I finished my makeup. I did like a cool toned look. I'll post the photo right here so you guys can check it out, and I'll link it down below if you want to give it a little double tap. But now I need to rush because my appointment for my hair getting retwisted is literally in 8 minutes. Like, oh my god, so I need to go. So the radio's on. So I totally forgot to vlog, but she did the front of my hair. It's really hard to see. Now I'm downtown. I'm getting my nails done. I feel like I just got my nails done, but it's because I got my hands done, then I came a week later and got my toes done, and now it's been 2 weeks since I got my hands done, so now I'm back going to the nail shop. I gotta get my feet and my hands on the same schedule. I'm kind of getting sleepy. So hopefully I can stay awake in here.